Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to do the grout on this tile right here behind me. Let's get to the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is look in the grout joints right here, and if there's any mortar that's sticking up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. Whenever I get done doing all of that, I'm going to shop vac everything up, wipe it down with a sponge, and get going on the grout. Okay, let's get all these spacers pulled out, and then we'll jump right into getting the grout put on the wall. Okay, so after I get all the mortar scratched out, I'm going to take a scrub pad and a sponge and wipe all the tile down just to get it nice and clean before I apply my grout. So let's do that. Now I'm going to mix up some grout and we'll start putting it in the grout joints. Okay, so the first thing I want to do whenever I'm mixing up my grout is I'm going to put the water in first. I don't have that much water in there because it doesn't take a lot of water to mix up grout. So you're going to want your grout to be able to stick to your mixer like that. It's probably about the same consistency as peanut butter. Okay, so we got our grout all mixed up. The first thing you want to do whenever you start spreading grout, especially whenever it's on a wall, okay, you want to start at the bottom and work your way up because the grout's going to fall out as you go. So if you start on the bottom and start packing it as you go up, it's going to make your job a lot easier. And I kind of always do it in a crisscross pattern. So if I'm spreading it up or whatever, you know, I'll come back and do it sideways after that, just so that you're kind of hitting it from two directions and you make sure that you get it in the grout joints really good. This is the hardest part to grout, so I like to get it done first. All right, so the next thing we gotta do is clean it. First thing I'm gonna do is just go over it real quick, just to get all the initial extra stuff off. I'll end up wiping this down about 3 times before it's all said and done. Then it's going to haze up again, and I'll probably end up wiping it down about a 4th time before I'm actually completely done with the job. Finish getting this all wiped down, and then I'll show you how we grout these big joints right here. Start right here and just kind of pack it in, working my way all the way up to the top. Just get all this side done, and then I'll probably pack this side in, and then after that I'll wash everything down and get it cleaned up. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.